Change the oil in this Camaro 2015. The hood, you got a little latch. Got to bring side like that. Yeah, first off we're gonna do is take the cap off, and we go down to the bottom and take that bolt loose, the drain plug, it'll flow better with that off, and this will come up on along with it. All right, there's an all stick right here, as we can see. Yeah, well, it ain't too bad. I've seen them worse than this, but we're gonna change it. That's where the filter go at right here. So got to jack it up, and you want to get to a good support up here. You don't want to jack it up on nothing plastic. You want to go this little hard part right here. That'll be a perfect place to jack it. I don't know if you can see that. Look at the support bar. What I'm gonna jack it up on. I'm gonna put you a block in the back. That's in case it roll. You don't want to roll on you. You put one on the opposite side of the tire. All right. Now, well, I go to all 530. 530. Got a air filter. I'll put that on. And there's the all filter. Oh, air filter goes right there. Let's do one thing at a time. Let's go ahead and dive back this oil change. Yeah, for safety, you better get your stand. Jack stand in. Just in case the jack give up. But let's not speak of it. Alright. Yeah. You got a bolt. I want to look at that bolt. Look like somebody been messing with it and unscripted. Hope not, but let's get at it. Alright, and it wasn't bad. Broke it loose already. I got my oil catcher here. And you want to turn this counterclockwise. Clockwise this way. Counterclockwise that way. Alright. And I also got a extra just in case of it. It goes all over the place. We'll probably let this drain about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna let that drain, come back to it, put a bolt back in there. We'll go from the top. Oh yeah, that need cleaning. I mean changing. Yeah. Alright, we can tighten the bolt back up now. But this is aluminum block, so you don't wanna tighten it too, you wanna snug it. So let's put the bolt back on it, put the jack back down, and go from the top. And I just take it, just snug it. So like I said, that's a 15 millimeter bolt and a wrench. And for this breather here, that's a 1-inch socket. and that just pops out, and the new one, it don't matter which side it go on, and this pops back in. Also come with this little gasket seal, and I use my little pick, take it out, just like that. And with this new one, I just roll it down and over. Till it sits in that groove right there, just like that. I will pop our filter in, and you pop it in, you should hear it pop in. That way you know it's in there good, just like that. Go back in it, line your threads up. And you want to add your oil. This thing usually take, I want to say this is 6 cylinder, usually take 6. But I want to say this is 5 quarts, but we'll put about 4.5, and we'll get the reading off the oil stick, and we'll keep measuring and see. You don't want to go, you want to be just about right on it. I don't know if you can see that. So it zoom in. Anyway, you want to come about at least about right here. That's the recommended oil level. So we'll keep checking that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it's at that low marking. Need to add some more. Not sure you can see, but it's at the right marking now. Put our cap back on, we're done with the oil change. We'll be going at this filter, air filter. This actually tightens this down by the cap. And this filter it's got a little clip, and you take it from out the groove. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's the new one here. You can pretty much get an idea how to put it back on. So look at how it is like that. You go from there. I only go in one way. Make sure you line it back in here. That's it. All changed, all filter. My niece should be happy. Today's her birthday, and this will be a birthday present. Yeah. Just checking most of the stuff that most people probably look over. That just with the water going that. You want to check, make sure you ain't got no leaks. I done checked to make sure that ain't happening. There ain't no leaks. It's great. She's ready to go. Just made a quick video on this 2015 Camaro oil change. I'm gonna make a video on this changing the resetting the oil life on it. Let me switch my camera on. You want to turn your initial on, and I've been playing with it. And what you want to do, you want to come over here. You got your menu options, and you got these arrows right here, and it'll take you to your oil life. And what you want to do, let's go back. Let's see. Let's see. You're supposed to go in your manual and you can read it. Are you sure you want to reset? And you say yes. And what you want to do is mash this button where you want to confirm it. See that? 100%. That's it. All changed to 100%. Like I said, you have to move this around. And when you go to where you want it at, because when you move this, it'll take you to all your options to where you want to go. And what you want to do is mash this button here to reset it. So there you have it.